The President of the United States is the most powerful office in the world. And for the last year and 3 months, we've had a deranged madman in that position. And we always in America figured that if he got reelected, he was going to burn our country down. But my gosh, right? The last 5 to 6 weeks, this illegal war he started, he chose to do. This is burning the world down. This is impacting the world's economy. And what I never really have a good answer. I tell the world he's a madman. He's a bad, bad man. And he's losing his mind every day. This is a really scary situation. One of our two major political parties is an authoritarian embracing cult. If you do what I did when I was a Republican and you stand up against him, you end your career. You end your life as a Republican. These Republicans don't want to do that. They want to keep their positions in power. They want to keep their voters, keep their audiences, so they become cult members. He launched this war, didn't know what he was doing. He's carried out this war, doesn't know what he's doing. I can't emphasize this enough. He's losing his mind every day, and people around him know this. He needs to be removed from office.